everybody, my name is Ahmed Naveed and today I have built a Sumbarine. So this Sumbarine has 3 moving parts. It has 2 on the back, which are its motors to make it go forward or backward, and then it's also got a camera. What I like about this camera is that it can move all on its own, even though it's also a moving part with the motor. In this piece I used a rubber band and a specialised piece on the back here, and the rubber band is in with the motor and everything to make 3, because usually the motor can only spin 2, but if you use the rubber band in the specialised way that I've shown you, that they've shown us, it spins 2. So everybody, I think it's time to connect the wires, and then we'll talk about my favourite feature. So my favourite feature is probably this radio detector, and one thing that I have to say, which is a bit negative about it, is that you need to maneuver your hand so that you don't break any of the pieces through the top. And then if halfway through the build the wires have just gone back while you're building it, you'll have to really get your hand in there and you might damage the build and it might not work. Now, one of my curiosities about this is that it's got these panels on the side, okay, and they look a bit like this. Now, on a real Sumbarine, does it have panels? That's what I'm asking. And if it does, what are they used for? Because aren't Sumbarines supposed to sink? But moving on from that, me and my brother had the idea to make a logo, because we had this knex piece which we've never ever used before, the same as the rubber band and the one on the back. And this had knex on it, so the name of this Sumbarine is called knex. So everybody, I think that's enough, and stay tuned for more videos, because now we've reached a great milestone. So everybody, thanks for watching, please subscribe and bye.